to survival on a budget made easy. In this video, we're going to be fixing a loose countertop. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and most of all, it's cheap. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're going to be fixing this loose countertop. It was kind of bubbled up. You'll be able to hear the difference when it's loose. Over here, solid, loose. Now, I already pulled this up a little bit. You just need a putty knife or something to get underneath to loosen it up a little bit. So you get underneath there a little bit. Then you're going to need yourself some liquid now. This did come along with like a little adapter that came to a point. But I've used this tube so much, I don't know where that little adapter is. But we're going to go ahead, squeeze some of this in here. Just like squeezing out toothpaste. Take your knife, spread it around. Go ahead and stick a little more in there. Now it is a little easier with the point on it, but it still can be done. Go ahead, shove some more around. Make sure if you're using something to wash it off as soon as possible. Okay, if you're lucky enough to have a rolling pin, now's a good time to use it. If you don't have a rolling pin, a dowel rod, or just press it down the best you can. We'll go from there. Go ahead, roll it out. I can't get back in the corner. Just pound that down some. Now, as you can see, it's coming out along the edges. Swipe that off. Now, believe it or not, I actually did that on a vinyl floor. And as far as I know, it's still holding up, and it's been years. Now, it wasn't like a big section of the vinyl floor. It was maybe 1 foot by 1 foot. Okay, what you want to do is get yourself some heavy objects. Lay that down on it. Okay. Wipe off your edge again. I pulled out the stove a little. Get in there. Now, you're going to need some painter's tape. If you don't have painter's tape, try masking tape. I'll try to have a link down below to the liquid now. and the tape so you can take a closer look at it. Go ahead and move this over a little. Just keep an eye on your edge when you first do it, because it will come out. Come back maybe 15 minutes later, check it again, see if any more squished out on you. But we're gonna go ahead, let that sit. I'm gonna say 12 hours. I usually do it late at night, like, you know, after dinner, then let it sit overnight. But we'll check it sometime here in a few hours and see how it's doing. Okay, it's been over 12 hours now, so we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Now remember, that sounds solid. So that's gonna be the sound we'll be looking for. This off. Move this. Move the tape. Now, if like the edges are coming off, whoever tried to fix this before nailed it. But you can actually get some tape, put some glue in there, get some tape, tape it down, and try to fix it that way. Okay, let's give it a little knock. Okay, that's all there is to it. Go ahead, give it a try. I don't know how much it costs to replace the countertop, but I'm pretty sure it's more than a tube of liquid nail. So give it a try. If it doesn't work, guess what? You're only out like $5. I'll try to have a link down below to the liquid nail and the tape, so you can check that out. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button. Probably be in this corner over here. And as always, thank you for watching.